Your Windows PC may be at risk right now, or it might contact virus at any point in time, most especially if you do not check this security update I'm about to show you right now. Whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, consider how to stay tuned to this video and see how to update your security intelligence on your Windows PC to keep your Windows PC virus free. Let me show you how. Come down below right here, go ahead and proceed to your Windows Start menu. Right click on your Windows Start menu, click on Settings right here. And then the next thing you want to do is to come down below right here. Make sure you proceed to Security and Privacy right here. Then proceed to Windows Security right here. And then go ahead and click on Virus and Threat Protection. And this is going to load up right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on Protection History. And it's going to take you right here. All you have to do is to simply scroll down right here until you get to Protection Update right here. Just like so. Go ahead and click on Protection Update. And it's going to take you right here. All you have to do is to make sure you click on Check for Update. And then just like so, allow the update to run completely. And it's going to fix any security problem you have on your Windows PC. And it's going to give you security detail about your PC. From there, you can fix any issue you might have with your Windows security. This is one of the very important things you always check on your Windows PC, whether Windows 10 or Windows 11. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Windows security settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.